Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for junior. Today I am going to show you how to draw human side figure on pencil sketch. I want to introduce my art material, 2B pencil for drawing, a ruler, a divider and art paper also. My earnest request to the viewers of my channel, watch this video till end. Don't skip the video, you can follow my drawing step by step. At first, I have drawn two vertical lines at the middle of the page. Then I divided it into 8 parts according to head. If you are enjoying my work, then please click the like button, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon to get regular notification for upcoming video. Now I am drawing 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7.5. Okay, this is the measurement of the human figure. This is my structural drawing. This part is called torso. It ends the 4th unit. I finished my rough sketch. Now I finalize the drawing with single line. So I erase all the guidelines. I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Feel free to tell us which type of painting you need to watch in our channel. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.